Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English listening and speaking podcast. In today's lesson, we'll practice 100 daily routine English sentences. Slowly and clearly. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English every day. Let's get started. Morning routine. I wake up early in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I eat my breakfast. I drink a cup of tea. I pack my bag. I check my phone. I say goodbye to my family. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to school. I reach school on time. I meet my friends. I attend my classes. I listen to my teacher. I write in my notebook. I ask questions in class. I study carefully. I take a short break. I have lunch with my friends. Afternoon routine. I finish my classes. I return home. I wash my hands. I change my clothes. I have some snacks. I watch TV for a while. I take a short nap. I help my parents. I clean my room. I do my homework. I read a book. I practice English. I check my emails. I call my friends. I play games on my phone. I go out for a walk. I buy some groceries. I water the plants. I talk with my family. I prepare for dinner. I set the table. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. I relax for some time. I listen to music. Evening and night routine. In the evening, I go for a walk. I watch a movie. I chat with my friends online. I check social media. I write my diary. I plan my next day. I study for a while. I do some exercise. I take a shower again. I wear my pajamas. I brush my teeth before bed. I drink a glass of water. I set my alarm. I turn off the lights. I go to bed early. I lie down quietly. I think about my day. I feel thankful. I try to sleep. I fall asleep slowly. Sometimes I dream. In the middle of the night, I wake up. I check the time. I go back to sleep. I wake up again in the morning. A new day begins. I smile and stretch. I feel fresh and happy. I open the window. I feel the morning air. I tidy my desk. I write my to-do list. I eat a healthy breakfast. I prepare for work. I leave home with confidence. I greet people politely. I focus on my goals. I finish my tasks. I come back home safely. I spend time with my family. I watch the sunset. I relax and listen to calm music. I check my messages. I take care of myself. I write something positive. I pray before sleeping. I say good night. I close my eyes. I sleep peacefully. Great job. You've just practiced 100 daily routine English sentences. Listen to this every day. Repeat, and you will sound more natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next English listening podcast.